Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you that how you could make a form like this. Then enter your email. If you enter your email and then password, click submit and submission completed. So watch the video till the end. So let's start. First of all, we have to make new form. Now here I have our form is ready. Resize it and now remove its form border. Remove its border and then give it back color white. And now you have to give it a panel. Okay, now size its and now dock it to the upside like this, and now take another panel and dock it here and give both of them color back color green. Okay, now you see here we have this color, and now give it a cross button, put a label in it, and now we have to give it a button. So from here I copy a button, select label and paste it to text. Okay, now change its font size to 20 and font style to bold. Increase its font size. Okay, now it's looking good. And change its forecolor to white and double click on it. You see its click event was generated, and now right here Environment.Exit. Now it is ready to use. And now you should have to take picture box. Take a picture box and insert a picture in it. From here you should insert a picture. I am taking this picture. Change from tile to stretch. Okay, it's upon you which size you give it. Okay, now take a label and a text box. Now first of all change its size to 22 and bold, and also change text box font size. Now place it here and here. Change its forecolor to green and give it label, enter name. Copy both of these and paste here. Now copy 4 of them and paste downward. Here you see. Okay, now change their names. After doing this, okay, so now they are looking good. And now you have to make a button. Take a button. Here is a button. Resize it and now change its flat style from standard to flat, and now give it text submit and change its forecolor from black to green and change its font size to 20 and bold. Okay, and now change its border width. Come here and border size from 1 to 2. Okay, and now you have to take another label. You have to take a label and give it value login portal. Okay, now I setting it. Okay, enter and control, give it forecolor white and place it here. Now change its font size to 24 and bold. Now you see it's looking good. You can also change its font family to okay, this is good. So if we run this, now you see it is looking good, but we have to change its start position. Change its start position to center screen. Okay, now it is good. Now we have to quote submit button. Before it, enter password. Here you see it is use system password false. Set it to true and give it a name. Here you see it is name is text box 1. Give it name, your name, father name, email and password. Okay, and give it name submit button. And now you have to make a checkbox in front of password text box and give it name SP. SP stands for show password, and give it text show password, and change its font size to 18. No, not 18. Change it to 16 or 14. Now it's good. Okay, and now change its back color. Now fore color. Here you see it is. So now take a note. Take a label here, label, and give it value note. Change its font size to 16 and bold. Put it here, scroll down and put a colon and give it a fore color white. Now you have to enter this statement in another label. Take another label and put it in front of this and give it the value we just copied here, you see, and give it fore color white, and its size is 14. And now you see it is looking good. Okay, double click on this. If checkbox sp.checked, if it is checked, then password dot use system character is equal to false, else true. And submit button. If now write if your name dot text is equal to null. If it is equal to null, then message box dot show. Now write please enter your name, and this is a message box button dot OK, message box icon dot error. Copy this line here to go else. If father name dot text is equal to null, text box enter your name, enter father name. Please enter your father name. Else, if email dot text is equal to null, please enter email. Else, if password dot text is equal to null, please enter password. Else. Now you have to create a new form. So we made a new form class and open that form. So click on project, add Windows form, and create a new form. I create a new form complete with name complete form. Okay, here is a form complete form. So remove its border, give it back color white, put a label on it and panel on it. Give a panel size and dock it to upward and change its back color to green, not this green. Okay, and now change this label 1 value to submission completed. And now change its font size, change its full color to white and put it here. And now submission completed. And now take a picture box. Here is a picture box, add a picture in it. I am adding a picture. Now import, OK. And from tile change it to stretch, set its size, and now copy a button submit. Copy this button and paste it here, and now give it value OK. And now double click this button, create a right in this dot hide, so this form will be hide. And now come to this form, click here, and at the last we write complete form. Here is complete form. Create its class. I write ABC is its object, is equal to new complete form, and now write ABC dot show. OK. Now this is, and now if you run it, see what's happened. Run it. And yeah, one more thing that I forgot. Come to this form, select the form and change its start position to center screen. Save it. Now run it. Now first enter your name, enter father name, enter email. You have to enter email, and now password. See here, password showing. Submit. Submission is completed. OK. You see, it's easy. And now if you want to design it some more, well, I think it's completed, but if you want some more changes, then you add a panel in it and give it a size of small length and dock it downward and give it back color green. And now if you run it, now you see, here you see it is not coming fully, it's not showing completely. So decrease its size to 13, not 13, to 12. Oh, OK. Now if you run it, now everything looking good. Well, it become, select this and change its font to 13. There is a too much gap between 12 and 13. Why? Yes, now it's looking good. Now here you see, don't forget your username and password. In the case you forgot your password, your account will be lost. Now if you enter your name, your father name, your email and password, now you submit, and this is submission completed. OK, and cross it. Now your form is completed. And if you don't write any of these, then what happened? If you submit, the error was not showing. Now I have to change its coding. From null you set it this, change all of them to empty. OK, save it and now run. Click on submit. Here you see, please enter your name. I write my name. Submit. Please enter your father name. I write my father name. Submit. Please enter email. I write email here .com. Submit. Please enter password. Now it's good. Submit, and submission completed. And if you want validation events for all of these text boxes, you can see my video how to create a login form. I will give the video link in description. And now guys, the video is end. Tell me, do you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Allah Hafiz.